Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe and positive out there. Yes, there's a lot happening in the crypto space. I'm going to be talking about Ripple and XRP, my favorite project of all time. Literally my favorite. I'm going to talk about Shiba Inu today as well because there is a lot happening with that, and I haven't covered Shiba Inu on my channel for a very long time. So I will go through that as well as some bullish market updates as well. For the entire crypto market, I honestly believe that we're coming out of this bear market at the moment because I'm seeing some green, that I haven't seen over the weekends as well. So anyway, we'll get into that. And also, yes, I'm a little bit sleep deprived. So everyone has to bear with me because my little baby girl has kept us up and we are running on very little sleep at the moment. Anyway, so excuse my my bags under my eyes right here. But anyway, massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth, which has taken on a new meaning for me. So come along on this incredible journey. It's absolutely been insane. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's free. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, excuse me, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, all right? So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Let's get straight into the community tab. 6 a.m., literally did not sleep. Cryptos are all over the place, and I was watching the Formula One. Thank you very much to the French Grand Prix for entertaining me whilst I was feeding Bubs. Anyway, let's have a look here. Cardano was up this morning. Obviously, Hedera, Phantom, Matic, and Electroneum. I'm very bullish on Electroneum as well, by the way, because, again, part of the Digital Pound Foundation, they are helping build the digital pound, all right? And obviously, Ripple, XDC, all the OGs right there are helping build all of this new technology, all right? So that's why I'm so bullish on them. Let's go to Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia, by the way, so please feel free to use the referral link below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin, of course. With any of this stuff, do your own research, and all these prices you see here are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to USD because I'm catering for everybody around the world. Straight up. All right, let's go through my favorites. Bitcoin sitting at $32,000 today. Ethereum's at $2,200 as well, which again is down slightly. So this is the ideal time for dollar cost averaging right here. Now that the market is a little bit quiet, you know, around tonight anyway, we'll probably see that everything come back up in the green. That's usually what happens anyway. So Cardano's at 73 cents. XRP's at 51 cents. There's a hilarious, it's a really good video of William Hinman giving a speech, by the way. I'm going to play it. And hopefully the YouTube algorithm doesn't ban me for it for music, but I want to play it because it's hilarious. We'll get on that in Twitter in a second. 51 cents. You've got Solana at $57. Doge at 9 cents. Polkadot at $10. Matic's at $1.21 right now. Moving down. Shiba Inu is down 2.99%. I'm still holding that. I'm going to talk about Shiba Inu as well because I have seen some pretty crazy returns on that. And there's a lot happening with it, so stick around for that. Tron's at 9 cents. Moving down to Chainlink at $10. You've got Near Protocol at $6 as well. Stellar XLM at 16 cents. Algorand's at 48 cents as well. Moving down to my other favorites, VeChain at 3 cents. Mana and Sandbox right there. Yes, I'm holding those, so I think they're bullish as well for the future. That's happening. Whether we like it or not, the metaverse is coming. Hedera's at 10 cents right now. Axie Infinity is at 24 cents. I'm bullish on that. Theta at $1.82. Quant is at 140. Now, this is a good entry point for myself to dollar cost average. I was waiting for it to get to around these levels. So again, I might throw in some money today, tonight. We'll see what happens. Moving down to Phantom, you've got 47 cents. IOTA's at 43 cents. The Graph at 14 cents. Moving down to my other favorites right here. Of course, you've got Gala. Where are you? It has dropped a lot, ladies and gentlemen, to 7 cents. XDC has officially flipped it, which is nice. And again, it's 4 cents for XDC. That is an absolute gem. Again, very, very undervalued, and hardly anyone talks about XDC and Sinfin. I don't know why. But anyway, let's go to Crypto Bubbles to see what is happening in the market. And yes, we have a sea of red right here. beautiful opportunity and time to dollar cost averaging. This is what I like to see. I don't like to see green. I like to see red, because this is where real money is made when the market is quiet. All right. So again, I'm going to pick a couple of my altcoins and dollar cost average into them. This is the time I like. But anyway, the one that's most down today is obviously CVX, Convex Finance. It is down 11% on the day. Still, though, the all-time high is at obviously $8 right here, but it's up 108% on the year, which is absolutely mind-blowing. You've got Curve down 9.5% as well. Still up 48% on the month. Not invested in it, but it's interesting. And let me know in the comments below if you're invested into Curve down. You've got Cosmo. It is down 9.2% today. And again, I'm not too bullish on this one as well, but it's still up 11.5% on the month again. So that's really nice as well. But anyway, let's move along to some interesting stuff right here. I don't know about this article, but will XRP holders witness another crash post recent spike? Very interesting right here. So XRP and its ripples. I like that. So after the June crash, many cryptocurrencies have rallied and recovered their losses. However, some other cryptocurrencies couldn't perform very well. XRP has been one of the difficult phases right now. The altcoin has risen by 16.38% from its June lows to trade at 36 cents during the present time. To make things worse, the increasing buying pressure might reach saturation soon. It will then reverse the active uptrend that will cause the difficult recovery to take a break altogether again. And, again, XRP has been, manipulated, and the price has been hindered by this case, straight up. Honestly, man, like, we've seen some pretty crazy stuff with Ripple trending and so forth. If Ripple wins this lawsuit, people will be going parabolic into XRP. Again, so because of this, downtrend right here, and it's been going sideways for a long time, it will soon go like this to the moon. Wait for it, all right? So that's what I'm predicting anyway. That's my personal opinion. I just love XRP because, again, who doesn't want to get in ahead of the banking and institutions? This is our opportunity to be a part of history. Moving on. Shiba Inu right now. Competitors bite the dust with massive adoption of SHIB. Can you believe that? Let me know in the comments below if you're holding Shiba Inu. I am. And I bought it before the last massive pump as well. So Coinspot, a cryptocurrency exchange licensed by the Philippines Central Bank, listed Shiba Inu, which is interesting. Mexico-based UTEL University has announced the acceptance of tuition fees in Shiba Inu. Analysts set a bullish target of 0.0000140 for Shiba Inu. So again, it is being adopted everywhere, and it can give Dogecoin a run for its money. So we'll see what happens right here. Now, this is interesting as well. So Shiba Inu flips Tron as SHIB's Metaverse gathers pace. Metaverse is coming. I'm telling you, Shiba Inu has proven it's not about what you start as, but the prospect of what your project and framework to ensure progressive enterprise. Considered a meme coin, Shiba Inu has grown to become a top 15 crypto asset by market cap. This comes amidst recent bullish trends that have seen the asset rally with other cryptocurrencies right now. So again, it has got its metaverse, which is coming. So according to data on CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu is now the 15th largest cryptocurrency in the space by market cap, having overtaken Tron, which is incredible as well. So check this out. Shiba Inu announces partnership with prominent visualization studio TTF. The upsurge in SHIB's market cap can be traced to recent bullish events attracting investors. On July 20th, American mobile game developer William David Volk, taking to Twitter, noted that something interesting was coming to Shiba Inu. This got Shiba Inu community excited, as noticed in the comments section, with some people asking to know what game veteran was talking about right now. So again, we know that the Shiba Inu Metaverse is coming right here, which is interesting. And check this out right here. TTF is responsible for some of the works in Marvel Cinematic Universe right here and Star Wars franchise. So again, that's bullish. I threw in a small amount of money and I just saw it go like this. This is what we want to see with all our investments in crypto. Anyway, moving on right here. New bullish metric positions Bitcoin for a massive run, mirroring the 2020's bull run. And I've been saying this, I think it's coming. There's a lot of adoption happening right here, and whales are accumulating a significant amount of Bitcoin at a discount. So following the tough conditions of the last month, the crypto markets appear to be recovering I agree. With Bitcoin leading the rally, some market watchers asserted that the gains in the last weekend lacked a concrete foundation and would be dumped shortly, notwithstanding the rallies have persisted, and most recently, a notable analyst has disclosed a bullish metric that is likely to be seen of Bitcoin surge further. So the last time Bitcoin saw this level, it pushed to $60,000 shortly after. That is plan B. We'll get into that in a second as well. This is interesting as well. Central bank digital currencies worse than bank accounts and cash, says Blockstream CEO Adam Back right here. Here's why. So the chief executive officer of blockchain technology company Blockstream says people are better off using fiat currencies or stable coins than holding central bank digital currencies. I agree. So Adam Back warns his 487,000 Twitter followers that CBDCs allow the powers that be to seize and controls a person's wealth. I've told everyone about this. They are like food stamps, straight up food coupons that the powers above can control. And this is what CBDCs are. Facts. And this is happening right now. Every bank wants CBDCs and governments want CBDCs. But again, we have the ability to invest in the companies that are building, well, I guess, get a piece of the companies that are building these CBDCs. And I hope that these don't happen, but it's coming whether we like it or not. And I personally hate them. And go watch that Joe Rogan interview with, I can't remember the name of the guy, but there was an interview with him and he basically said they're like food stamps. So you do something wrong, you don't get your CBDC. All right, so it's pretty full-on stuff what's happening right now. Let's go to cryptometer.io. I'm trying to keep this video quick because Bubby's waiting for me at home. Anyway, you've got Beth, you got BNB, USDC, Ethereum, TUSD, ORN, GMT, Steppen, Curve, Dow, and of course CHZ, Chiliz. Now, I just want to show you this as well. This is on blockchaincenter.net. And again, this is the rainbow price right here for Bitcoin. And again, we are basically in a fire sale right now, and it is starting to creep up. All right, so it's starting to go back up. All right, so keep an eye on that. It's going back to the buy, and it will basically go to accumulate. It's still cheap, hodl, and is this the bubble? And then FOMO intensifies right now. So that's what's coming. All right, this is what's happening right now. Moving on to World OTC, you can see I'm sitting at 1,609 USD Tether. Again, it is making me 3.2% per day using the iMacro script linked below. This is high risk, high reward. All right, straight up. It's really risky. I only threw in 199 USDT and it's grown to this, which is really nice as well. And you can see right here, it's on average now making me around just over 6 USD Tether every 3 hours. So that's what it's doing. And again, you will not make this if you're not using the iMacro script, straight up. You have to be using that, all right? But do this at your own risk. Everything is linked below. Of course, do your own research. And again, never invest anything, that you can't afford to lose, straight up. Don't put anything that you can't, that you're going to be stressing about. Do not do that, straight up. This is something that I can lose. And if it goes, all right, it's going to be, disappointing, but it happens, all right? So I'm not too stressed about that. Anyway, everything linked below. Please be careful. Let's go to Twitter, because I want to show you this video right now of XRP right here. And Bill Himman right here. I want to play this right now. Have a look at this. XRP Snaky right here. Have a look at this, guys.
A coin that has been evolving. The network is evolving. We think when we look at how Ether today is operating, at least, we see a highly decentralized network. And we don't see a central third party where folks are saying, oh, if that person does these things, this will be giving me an investment return. So we don't see that key third-party actor. We do see it being highly decentralized. The governance is decentralized. Things that occur on that network are very public. The developer conferences are very open. We don't see those information asymmetries. So what we're trying to say is we don't see a lot of value in treating Ether today as a security.
Oh gosh, that's hilarious. Anyway, I just thought I'd play that. I don't know who made that, but shout out to whoever made that. QNB has launched direct remittance services for money transfers from Qatar to the Philippines, which makes it the first bank in Qatar to launch the service on RippleNet. Follow the money. This is what's happening right now. Quant Network. Again, I'm bullish on Quant. It is a $10,000 to $20,000 asset in my opinion for the future, long term. But check this out. Joined LAC Chain's initiative to transform the banking industry. Quant, transforming the banking industry. This is what's happening. Now, this is Brad Garlinghouse. I just retweeted this. Thank you, Riz. This is Brad Garlinghouse right here. Have a listen to this, man. It's so true.
From the companies, keep in mind what the SEC does. They demand disclosure from the companies they regulate, and they won't disclose anything. They had a judge 14 months ago, tell them they need to disclose the notes associated with this very famous speech that happened 4 years ago, saying that Ether is not a security. What are they hiding? Yeah, like why? It's been 14 months and they're still fighting to hide those notes. Keep in mind.
Of course. What are they hiding? What are they hiding? Straight up. Crypto Rover, thank you for this tweet. Can you spot the similarities right here? Again, check this out right here. 2018 bear market. I bought Bitcoin around this time, 2017. Sorry, and then obviously went through the bear market. 2017 straight up, right? Let's go back here. May, straight up 2021. You can see it for yourself, ladies and gentlemen. We are primed right now for a very bullish movement in the crypto space and in particular Bitcoin. So stay tuned because I think we're going to be going upwards straight up from here, all right? And again, where's this going to be headed? I don't know. But I can honestly say that I think we're going to be seeing $100,000 Bitcoin very soon, all right? So keep an eye on that. Moving down right here, James Rule XRP, love your channel, mate. I'm not sure who started the rumor of Uphold was running out of XRP, but they're currently having right now 9.82 million available. So again, Uphold's got a lot of XRP for people to buy. That is the video we just watched here. Now again, this is Coinbase. I'm not going to play that goon right there. Have a listen to this. This is another video from Riz. Thank you, mate. This is in relation to Ripple. Have a listen to this.
Software solution built on a blockchain that we sell to regulated financial institutions throughout the world so they can send money cross-border and convert that money into different currencies faster, cheaper, and more transparently in contrast to anything that exists today. And really what exists today is the SWIFT network, which is plumbing that exists on a 50-year-old plus framework. I think Ripple has created a software solution which allows banks to talk to each other and trust each other and message each other in the way that previously didn't exist. XRP, which is not owned by Ripple. XRP is not Ripple. Ripple is not XRP. If you own a unit of XRP, it gives you no right, title, or interest to Ripple. If you want to own Ripple, go into the secondary market and you can buy some shares in Ripple and become an investor in Ripple. But what XRP does, and this is really what I think is fascinating, is when you combine XRP with RippleNet, the proprietary software solution, I think it does something really magical. It's really the secret sauce. It's liquidity on
the secret sauce. I like that. That's awesome right here. Now check this out. This is John E. Deaton. This is exactly why the Bitcoin maxis like Saylor need to stop saying everything other than Bitcoin is a security and welcoming the SEC to bring enforcement actions against altcoins. It's hypocritical because in 2014 to 2015, SEC folks were claiming Bitcoin was a security. Have a listen to this Joseph Grudfest right here.
You got investment of money to do with that. On the other hand, suppose you go on the internet and you buy $200,000 of Bitcoin and you stick it in your electronic wallet and you're going to hold it there for 4 or 5 years thinking that Bitcoin will double or triple. Well, under those circumstances, it's very easy to describe that transaction as involving the purchase and sale of a security. You've got investment of money. You've got an expectation of profit. You're relying on the efforts of others. The others here are the miners that in effect have to operate the Bitcoin system in order to validate every transaction. We know that we can package interests in Bitcoin so that those interests are securities. That's easy. But the interesting question is, and the law hasn't gotten here yet, is Bitcoin itself a security?
What's with the calm music there, man? Anyway, that's full on. Anyway, that's just a bit full on. Bitcoin is not a security, mate. You've got Fear and Greed Index sitting at 30 right now, which again, we're on an upward movement right here. I can feel it. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Have a look at the total market sitting above 1 trillion right now. We're in the reds at the moment. This is a beautiful time when the markets are quiet. $65 billion in volume, 41% BTC, 18% Ethereum. Of course, the only ones I'm focusing on right now, again, my banking coins right here, because this is where the money's at. Straight up. XRP, the secret sauce. Stellar, Algorand, Hedera, Quant, IOTA, XDC. All of these projects right here are being used by banks. So, this is where my money is going, straight up. This is all I need, pretty much. Everything else is just a play. Bitcoin for me, yes, it's definitely one for the portfolio because it's only going to go up in value. Probably to $1 million in the next 10 years. Who knows? But again, that's where my money is flowing right here. XRP at 34 cents is an absolute bargain. All right, guys, stay safe. We'll speak to you in the comments and the community tab. Peace out. Bye.